Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to another video. In this video we will going to discuss about telomeres. What are they? And how do they impact aging? Telomeres are sections of DNA that are found at the ends of chromosomes and seem to play a role in aging. Telomeres act as barriers, preventing DNA from being degraded and corrupted. Each time a cell divides, some part of the repeating sequence in a telomere is lost. When telomeres become too short to function effectively, a cell either dies or stops dividing. So, because most cells cannot regenerate their telomeres, they become shorter as people age. The rate at which telomeres shorten has also been associated with rates of aging. In humans and all vertebrates, telomeres repeat the nucleotide sequences 2 thymine, 1 adenine, and 3 guanine molecules. Nucleotides are the molecules that make up the sequence of DNA. In humans, this sequence can repeat up to about 3,000 times, but the number of repeats varies for different species. At the end of a telomere, there is a kind of knot called a T-loop, which is maintained by a specific protein structure called a shelterin complex. In most cells, telomeres get shorter over time as the cell destroys more of their genetic code. However, some cells, such as stem cells, which generate the body's many types of specialized cells, and germline cells, which form eggs and sperm, can use an enzyme called telomerase to regenerate telomere.